Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. It looks pretty good. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be trying some new products and I'm super excited. So I'm going to be trying the Mielle Organics Moisture RX. It's their new Hawaiian Ginger collection. Looks like this. And I'm really excited. I actually got these products from my curl friend, Destiny. Her @name is Tress to Impress on IG, so make sure you check her out. She gave me these products to try. She actually already tried the products on her own hair. So we just wanted to see how the products would work on my hair since we have different curl patterns and different hair textures. She actually did the wet look on her page, but I'm gonna just do a regular wash and go. So I've already washed and conditioned my hair. I did that yesterday, and I just used my normal Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. And after that, I used the Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. And I've actually never used an overnight deep conditioner before, so I was really excited to try this, and it smells so good, y'all. Like, it smells like you walked into Bath and Body Works. Like, that's how good it smells. And this is what it looks like. So it's nice and creamy and thick, and it applied really nicely. It gave my hair a ton of slip. It was super moisturizing. This is my hair actually after I rinsed it out. I rinsed it out about 5 minutes ago. And as you can see, my hair is super soft and conditioned. And when I first rinsed it out, it actually looked like I had product in my hair, and I don't have anything in my hair. So yeah, it's bomb. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to be doing a wash and go. So I'm just going to substitute my go-to products, which are the Shea Moisture Hair Milk Smoothie and my EcoStyle gel. Those are literally my go-to staple products every single time I do a wash and go. And you know that if you've already watched my wash and go video. So I'm going to try these products by Mielle Organics to see if I can get the same results that I'm used to. Alright, so I'm just going to start off sectioning my hair into 4 sections. Alright, so starting off on this first section, I'm going to go in with the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Normally this would be my Shea Moisture Hair Milk, so I'm going to see how this leave-in conditioner works. Okay, so it's similar to how the hair milk is. It might be a little bit thicker than the hair milk. I can't really tell yet. Yeah, I would say that it's definitely thicker than the hair milk. As you can see, it's sitting on my hair a little bit more, so I'm having to rub it in quite a bit. And add some more water because my hair has gotten dry. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the leave-in to my ends. Okay. This stuff smells amazing too, y'all. Like, the entire line just smells so good. I love it. Okay. So the conditioner is on this section. I'm gonna apply it to the rest and then I will be back. Alright, so all of the leave-in has been applied and this is how my hair is looking so far. So now I'm gonna go in with my next product, and normally that would be my Shea Moisture Smoothie, but for the Mielle Organics line, we will be using the Moisturizing Hair Butter. And I don't usually use butters because they're a bit thick for me, usually, and they weigh my hair down too much. But we're gonna see. All right, so it's pretty thick. Like, it's not gonna come out. It's very thick. So I'm not gonna apply too much of this. I'm gonna divide my hair into smaller sections. Sections about this big. Spray a bit of water. Alright, and I'm just gonna take like about this much of the hair butter. Okay. So it's not super thick. Like, it's thick, but I can deal with it. It's very creamy, which is very nice. It actually does kind of remind me of the smoothie. It might actually have a little bit more slip than the smoothie. My fingers are just gliding through my hair. But I will say that the smoothie defines my hair a little bit more than this. So I would definitely have to use a gel with this because my hair is still really frizzy. And speaking of gel, that's what I'm about to use now. The Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel. And I always say you cannot have a bomb wash and go without a bomb gel, and that's just a fact. I always use my EcoStyle gel. I went through other gels and they just didn't work. Like, my hair was still frizzy and I could never find a gel that didn't flake and that gave me the hold that I wanted, except for EcoStyle gel. And I literally never turned back after that. But we're going to try the Mielle Organics, and this is what it looks like. It's just clear. Still smells really nice. All right, so I don't know how much of this to use, so I'm just gonna start with about this much. I don't know if y'all can really see that. Well, we're gonna see. Okay. So it definitely has a lot of slip. The EcoStyle gel has a little bit more of a tacky feeling, but this gel is like, there's like no tack at all. So I'm not exactly sure how well it's going to hold my hair, but we will see. I like it though. It's very like soft and creamy feeling, even though it's a gel. Okay. Add some to my ends. Yeah, so I feel like the EcoStyle gel is heavier than this gel. This gel is very light. And so I don't know if it's going to actually hold my hair. That's the only thing. So this is how it looks. I mean, my curls are definitely clumped, which is great. but there is a little bit more frizz than I would like, at least on this section. But this back section of my hair is the hardest to get defined. It's always like that, even when I use EcoStyle gel. So we're just gonna keep going and see. So the back section is done, and this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. It's quite a bit of white residue, so I'm hoping that it dries clear. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do the rest. Alright, so I'm just going to slow it down now so you guys can see the front of my hair. The front of my hair has a looser curl pattern naturally than the back. The back of my hair is probably more like a 4A, 3C, 4A, and the front of my hair is closer to like a 3B. And so I just wanted y'all to see how the gel and the butter works on this part of my hair. So it's definitely getting more defined in the front, which I expect because it's a looser curl pattern. And it looks really, really pretty. It's really nice. So I'm really trying to make sure that the front is super defined because that's the part that everybody sees. I really do like this butter though. Like, it makes my hair feel super soft. Alright, now I'm going in with the gel. As you can see, I'm pretty heavy-handed with my gel because my hair does not hold otherwise. It just turns into a frizzy mess, and I'm trying to avoid that by adding lots of gel. But I really like the way that my hair is looking. It looks like I'm doing the wet look without even trying to do the wet look. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in and shingle the front of my hair a little bit because I see some frizz and we do not want any of that. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. It looks pretty good. Like I said earlier, there's quite a bit of white residue. I'm not sure if that's from the gel or from the butter or from both, but hopefully it dries clear. Alright, so I think I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer and then I will be back with the final results. Okay, so I sat under the dryer for about 20-25 minutes and then I let my hair air dry for a couple of hours, and it's still a bit damp in the back because my hair is super thick, but it's almost dry. It's about 80% dry. So I just wanted to come and show y'all the final results. It came out really, really cute. My hair is very soft. There's no crunch or anything. There's no flakes. All of the white residue went away, which I'm very, very happy about. So overall, I really like the products. So you guys can see it up close. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely pick up some of these products. I really, really love them. They are amazing and they smell great, like I said. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.